Hi friends, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. Today I've come with a traditional Kerala snack recipe called achappam or rose cookies. It is very commonly made in Kerala. It is a very crispy and crunchy snack, traditionally made with rice flour. Here I have taken 2 cups of regular dosa rice which is soaked and drained. It was soaked for 3 to 4 hours. We'll put the soaked rice in the mixer grinder and grind it into a very fine paste. Into the rice we'll add 2 eggs. Add 6 tablespoons of sugar. You can increase or reduce the quantity of sugar as per your taste. Now we'll blend it well. Now I have grinded it a little. Now into this we'll add 50 ml of milk, normal cow's milk, boiled. Now the rice paste is nice and smooth, finely blended. We'll transfer this into a bowl. Now this is the consistency of the rice paste. It is a little watery. We'll adjust the consistency later. Into this we'll add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of black sesame seeds. If you wish, you can add only cumin or only sesame. Mix it, and into this we'll add 1/4 teaspoon of salt also to balance the taste. Add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour or maida to adjust the consistency. Mix it well. Now this is the consistency of the batter. This should be the consistency. Now I have kept a thick-bottomed cast iron kadai on stove with oil to heat, and the achappam waffle iron is also heating in the oil. The waffle iron should be always hot before dipping into the batter, otherwise the batter will not stick to the iron. While dipping, you have to take care that you dip it only till the just below the rim of the iron, and gently place it into the oil and shake the waffle iron so that the cookie falls off from the iron into the oil. But actually the first 1 or 2 achappams won't fall from the waffle iron. Sometimes it won't fall easily from the iron. That time you can use a knife or a fork and just push it out of the iron. After 1 or 2 achappams, it will get released easily. After making each achappam, the waffle iron should be kept in the oil so that it gets heated up, and after that we should dip it in the batter. Yeah, now it is removed from the iron. So easily we can make achappams at home. Please do try the recipe. While transferring the batter into the oil, be careful that no drops fall in the oil. If drops are falling, immediately remove it. Shake it well so that the achappam falls into the oil. See, now it is released very nicely. It is released into the oil. Same way we can make all the achappams. This is one of my favorite snack. Traditionally it is made using rice flour. Rice is pounded and mixed with eggs, and eggs are beaten well. The rice flour is mixed into the beaten eggs, and then coconut milk is added into it, and that's how it is made traditionally. This is an easy method, but we get nice crispy and crunchy achappams. Easily we can make it at home. So please do try the recipe. If you like the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and give your suggestions and feedback. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Press the bell icon to receive notifications of my new videos. Thank you for watching. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.